how to get drone parts in Last War Survival. Unfortunately, my level is not that high enough to be able to show you this, but hopefully this information does help you at least a little bit. So the first step is, oops, what's this? A little thingy. So our first step is in the looting sessions. So looting buildings and areas, drone parts can often be found in various lootable buildings, well, as long as you're at that level to gain drone parts now. Next are completing mission. Now, as you progress in the game, you may unlock the ability to craft drone parts using materials and resources collected in the game. Mostly it's usually bought in the shops. Drone parts, so purchasing from shops, so some traders or NPCs in-game may sell drone parts or the materials needed to craft them. So they can even... Where was that? In your merchant type shop, you should be able to find drone parts if you are lucky enough in your daily merchant. Now the next is just looting drone wrecks and event rewards, which is around events or seasonal updates that may offer exclusive drone parts as rewards. Now hopefully this video does help you at least a little bit, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.